Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion's oil the easy way. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and jack stands for safety. Make sure you have 4 3/4 to 5 quarts of the correct motor oil, typically 5W20, and a new oil filter. Always prioritize safety by using proper lifting equipment and wearing protective gear throughout the process. Now that your Ford Fusion is safely lifted and secured, it's time to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 13mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the plug, letting the oil flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. With the old oil drained, let's replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, typically on the front side of the engine, and remove it using your filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, add 4 3/4 to 5 quarts of the recommended 5W20 motor oil through the oil fill cap. You're almost done. Lower your Ford Fusion and start the engine, letting it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add a small amount of oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Finally, carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to properly dispose of your used motor oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.